Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will show you how to create a custom visualization on your PC using NVIDIA control panel. Let's get started. From the menu, search NVIDIA control panel and click on it to open. While the NVIDIA control panel is open, look at the left side. Under the display section, click change resolution. Here you will see your monitor and the list of available resolutions. Now look below the resolution list for a button called Customize. Click it. A new window will pop up. Inside that window, click Create Custom Resolution. Here is where you can set the resolution you want. You can adjust the horizontal pixels and vertical lines. Next, you can also set the refresh rate like 60 Hz, 75 or higher if your monitor supports it. In most cases, you can leave the other options as they are. When you are ready, click Test. Your screen will go back for a moment while you test the new resolutions. If everything looks good, your display appears normal. Click Yes. Now the resolution is set. You will see your custom resolution added to the list. Close the customization window. Back on the main change resolution page, scroll through the list and select your new custom resolution. Then click Apply. Your display will switch to the new resolutions. And that's it. You have just created your own custom resolutions using the NVIDIA control panel on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.